Hey there, Jeff Lerner here, and in this video we are going to be talking about how to make money just by creating simple YouTube videos and using simple web pages that basically anybody can do. It doesn't cost a lot of money to get started. You have to have a few basic tools in place that if you're serious about making money on the internet, you probably already have these tools in place or you're going to need them anyways. But this actual strategy for making money with simple YouTube videos doesn't actually cost anything. Anybody can do it, and it's really, really powerful. I've literally made hundreds of thousands of dollars with this exact strategy, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. We're actually going to hop over to my computer, and I'm going to demonstrate it on the screen because a picture's worth 1,000 words, and I guess a video is worth 1,000,000 pictures, right? So I'm going to show it to you on the screen how simple this is, how powerful this is. This is literally something you could be doing by, within a few hours of watching this video, you could have this strategy up and running and be generating income online, okay? So without further ado, let's hop over to the computer and I'll show you how this works. By the way, if you want more training like this, more methods for really improving the holistic quality of your life, but obviously, with an emphasis on ways to pay for a better life and generate income. That's what my channel is all about. My channel is based on the belief that life is meant to be awesome. An awesome life has to be paid for, so we try to tackle the whole thing and just make life as awesome as possible. So I'd love it if you'd subscribe. I'm going to show you this amazing technique, but while I'm hopping over there, maybe smash the like button, maybe smash the subscribe button, maybe make sure you click the bell so you get notified of new videos. Help support me so that I can keep bringing you this incredible content at no charge. So thanks a lot. I'll see you on the computer. Okay, so the method that I want to show you for making money quickly and easily with free YouTube videos is to basically do reviews. So by reviewing other things, other products, other online programs, you can basically get really well targeted and high, what they call high intent traffic, meaning people that are actually looking to buy things that'll come watch your videos. And whatever it is that you're reviewing, you can basically sign up for the product or the program, whatever it is, as an affiliate and have a link underneath the review video that allows the person to sign up or to purchase, depending on what it is, and you earn a commission. And these videos are so easy to do. There's huge demand and there's almost an infinite supply. I mean, think about a program like Amazon, for example. Think how many products there are on Amazon. You could technically do a review, even if you just said, hey, I'm only going to focus on products that are over $200 on Amazon so that I make a significant commission if something sells. I mean, if somebody said, I'm going to review every product on Amazon that's over $200, there's not enough. They'd have 100 lifetimes worth of reviews to do. Nobody would ever get through all that. So there's just an infinite supply of things that you can review online, and you just sign up for the affiliate program and you drop that link right underneath it, and easy peasy. So I'm going to demonstrate this. I'm actually going to use my own company, Entra, as the demo here. I mean, we do have a great affiliate program, and certainly I built it to be the affiliate program that I would want to promote, or that frankly I do promote. So, I can certainly encourage people to sign up for it, but that's not necessarily the point of this video. There's a million different affiliate programs out there you can sign up for. And I'm going to show you a couple different ones just to kind of illustrate the diversity and the profitability potential of this. But I'm going to start with Entra because I have access to the back office and I have access to all the tools, so it's easy for me to show you kind of how this works. But if you go on YouTube, I've got right here, and you type Entra Institute reviews. So you think about how somebody would search that keyword. I mean, basically they might see, let's say, for example, one of my Facebook ads or one of my, ads on Bing or right here on YouTube. They could see, we advertise all over the place. They could see a billboard ad even, and they might go on their phone and type into Google Entra Institute reviews. And they don't even have to search it right on YouTube. They could just be searching it on Google because Google loves to serve up YouTube videos as search results on the Google platform. So anywhere somebody could be searching for Entra Institute reviews, you could quickly make a video that's your review of Entra Institute, and that could be delivered as a search result. And again, it's not just Entra. It could be any product. You can review electronics. You can review toys. You can review books. You can review online programs like Entra. You can review just cars, literally just anything. And there's so many affiliate programs out there that you can sign up for that'll pay you to send traffic. And the nice thing about the reviews keywords is if somebody's looking up reviews, typically they're not just looking to learn about something, they're looking to learn about the buyer experience of the thing, which means they're probably pretty interested in purchasing it themselves. Like, nobody looks up camera reviews if they're not probably interested in purchasing a camera. So you get a high, that's what I said. You said you get a high level of buyer intent. You get a high level of conversions of people that watch a review video and actually click the link and go on to purchase the product. So we'll use Entra Institute reviews as an example. I've typed that in right here on a Google search. And you can see this guy whose name is Lifestyle Influencer. He shot a couple videos. One is a review. One is a tour of the back office. And, this guy, Andrew Flanagan, shot his review. This lady, Dai's Affiliate Hub, shot her review. But it's really not that saturated. I mean, you go down and look right here, it cuts off. I mean, this... And YouTube rotates the content. Google rotates the content. It's not like they always put the same videos up for search results. So it's pretty easy, whether you're promoting or whether you're reviewing products or you're reviewing services, it's pretty easy to get into the rotation and start to get traffic to your video. So this, for example, this guy, he just, in this case, I actually watched this video. I think he literally just sits in what looks like a hotel room
to a decision.
And just talks about it, right? He literally just talks about the program. He doesn't have any slides. He doesn't have any images or screenshots or anything. Now in this one, it looks like he actually...
What is up, you guys? Fraser here.
Does a tour of the back office. So he logs in to the back office. So, that's another way you can do a review is like a tour. You can put slides together. You don't even have to be on the video. In fact, there's even videos where you don't even have to talk. They use slides that have the words and maybe some music, and the slides just play. If you're shy, but it's just so easy. So this is an example of how to do this with Entra. And the key is you have to go sign up as an affiliate. So he's done that. My guess is right here. He says, subscribe, or here's a link. This lady, I pulled up this lady's video, Dai. She does the same thing right here. She has a link. Click this link to get more info. So you go, you watch the review. I'm sure in the review she says, okay, go below to the description and click the link if you'd like to get more information. And then somebody comes here and clicks the link, and it takes them, I happen to know in this case, it takes them, well, here we can look where it takes them. It takes them to here.
Let me ask you something.
This is one of the pages that was provided to these people by the affiliate program. So affiliate programs are really easy to sign up for. There's a zillion of them out there. There's whole networks of affiliate programs. I have other videos about different types of affiliate offers and affiliate programs and affiliate networks and how to sign up for them. But I'll just to kind of illustrate the point. So here's Entra's affiliate sign up, affiliates.entrainstitute.com, which, by the way, is in the link of every one of my videos because Entra's my thing. It's super easy. Look how easy it is. You just fill out this form, click join the free affiliate program. I will say be wary of companies that try to charge you a lot of money to join their affiliate program. Honestly, if you're going to be sending traffic to a company, I don't think they should be trying to make money off of capturing you as an affiliate. Maybe if there's like some resources or tools they give you and they charge you, a few bucks or something. It shouldn't be expensive. I'm not saying it always has to be free, but it definitely shouldn't be expensive to join an affiliate program. Ours is free, as you can see. So you register, and then once you register, any decent affiliate program is going to give you resources to use to promote the product. So at the very least, they'll give you links that'll point to the pages. In our case, we have, here's a couple sales page links. We give you email swipes it's like words you can put into emails to promote the product and so forth. And that's basically so that, when you shoot the review, you can put the link down here and it'll go right to the page that makes the sale, but it'll always track back to you as the affiliate, and then you can, log in and see your commissions and get paid like every week. Some affiliate programs pay every week, some of them pay once a month, some of them pay twice a month. A few of them, I've seen them before that pay every day, but usually that's kind of clunky. So anyway, it's just so simple. This guy, and her too, I haven't watched this whole video, but he literally just set up a camera in the corner of a hotel room and just started talking about his thoughts on this program. And he's had 819 views on this. And this, I happen to know the mechanics of this program. He can earn thousands of dollars potentially in commissions off of people coming through. And so anyway, that just shows you how simple it is. But there's a lot of stuff you can promote. It's not just Entra, and it's not just online training companies. I actually found this. So Hammacher Schlemmer, if you're familiar with that, it's a retailer. They have they sell through catalogs. They also have some stores, and they have an online website. So Hammacher Schlemmer is actually a pretty cool online affiliate program. They pay 8% of the gross sale of any product that's referred to them by an affiliate. So you could literally go shoot a review of must-haves for must-have accessories for the high-level golfer, let's say. And then let's say you did a review of the golf cart hovercraft, and you go sign up as a Hammacher Schlemmer affiliate, which you can usually always do just right there on the website. And actually, if I remember correctly, let's take, for example, Amazon. You just go down to the bottom and you sign up. You sign up as an affiliate. I can't remember which link it is down here, but you sign up as an affiliate right here, down in the footer. Most websites have that link in the footer. And so, anyway, what's crazy about this is, and if I remember correctly, Hammacher Schlemmer's affiliate program is run through Commission Junction, and this is what's kind of cool is, again, I talked about networks. You can go sign up for these networks. Some programs have direct affiliate programs like Entra, like another one of my favorites called ClickFunnels. But some of them work through these networks where you can go sign up at Commission Junction, and you get to be an affiliate for thousands of programs. I think Hammacher Schlemmer is a Commission Junction. But long story short, if you do a review of this product and you send somebody here and they buy it for $58,000, now obviously you're not going to sell a lot of those, but literally you're going to make 8% of that amount. You're going to make $5,000 off of a single sale. So that's one of the things to look for. And again, I have other videos that talk about this, about the different types of affiliate programs, high ticket versus low ticket affiliate programs. But it's ideally you want to be looking for affiliate programs where you can make significant revenue off of individual sales, so that you don't have to go rank 1,000 videos. You don't have to get millions of video views. You can make real money selling a small number of products. But again, that's a topic for another video. I just want right now everyone to see how crazy easy this is. So let's go to Amazon. I literally picked this product because it's actually the product. It just popped up. It's actually the product I use to do my hair when I have to go someplace nice. I could literally record myself doing my hair. I'm not saying this would be the greatest video in the world. What if you bought 3 different hair products and said, hey, we're going to do a comparison of hair products, and you recorded yourself doing your hair and said, this one feels too sticky, this one feels too stiff, this one, oh, I like this one. Yeah, anyway, click below if you'd like to try it out. There's just an infinite variety of these videos that you can do. I'm going to put below a few of my favorite affiliate programs. Obviously, Entra. What can I say? I built it because I wanted the dream affiliate program that I would want to be a part of. But ClickFunnels, I mentioned, is another one. I'll put the link to Commission Junction. If you just Google top affiliate programs, there's a whole world out there, and this video's not intended to be an exhaustive education on affiliate marketing, but frankly, if you want an exhaustive education on affiliate marketing, that is something you can get through Entra. So I'll plug us again there. But anyway, so I'm just going to put some links down below, and you can get an example of a sample of different programs. But it's on you. Find affiliate programs, sign up for them, do reviews, put the name of the product in the review. So your video, obviously the reason this is coming up is because he's put Entre Institute in the title, and it's just super easy. Okay, so that's super powerful. Now, I guess one thing I will add, and by the way, before I add this, if you're interested in making more money and you like this kind of stuff, I will invite you to subscribe to my channel. I'm totally devoted to helping people create a more awesome life, more freedom, more flexibility, be able to travel, be able to be home with their kids. You know, I have 4 kids. I get to see them all the time because, I mean, right now, even I'm working, I'm out in the guest house behind my house where I have my office set up. Like I can walk 20 feet back into my house and see my little 3-year-old girl anytime I want. Like it's just this quality of life that happens when you learn these skills. That's what Entre is all about. That's what my channel is all about. So subscribe if you want to learn more. But anyway, what I was going to say is there's different types of pages you can use. So a lot of affiliate programs will just give you a link that points to their system, right? So for Entre, we give you pages that point into our sales videos. You know, Commission Junction, you sign up for that, it'll give you links that point people to the different companies, the different products they promote. But what a lot of affiliate marketers will do is also they'll use a system. I mentioned ClickFunnels earlier. This is ClickFunnels, and I'll put a link to this below as well. ClickFunnels is a system that actually allows you to create your own pages. So instead of just sending people to the sales pages of the individual products you're promoting, you could send them to a page that you control that has like an email opt-in where you could actually get their information. You could say, give me your email and I'll send you my review of the top 5, cameras for people that are, travel photographers or like whatever the thing is. And you could get their email address and now you have them on a list and you can send them other offers. You can send them links to other review videos, other different types of content you create. So a lot of people will do that, and they'll do that simply by creating a very simple opt-in page with a system like ClickFunnels that will then that goes in front of the review. So they'll go to the opt-in page, put in their email, and then it'll take them to the review after that, or to the sales page of whatever the product is after that. So that's another technique I just wanted to mention. This is all super simple. You can do this all really fast. I could have a review video done on Entre or ClickFunnels or Hammock or Slimmer or any Amazon product literally in 30 minutes, right? And then you just you sign up for the affiliate program. Sometimes affiliate programs will make you wait 24 hours to get approved. That's probably really the only delay. And then you just grab your link, drop it in the description, and you're off and running, getting paid. Okay? So thanks for your time. Again, if you want to learn more stuff like this and just be a part of a group of people that think life is meant to be really awesome and that there's creative ways to pay for that and to make life awesome, then you'll be in good company here on the channel. I'll invite you to subscribe and make sure you click the little bell so you get notified as new videos pop out. If you do want to be an Entre affiliate, again, that link is below. We did build probably the highest paying affiliate program on the internet. I'm not afraid to say that. As somebody who has years and years of experience as an affiliate marketer, I didn't just create a company to teach all this marketing stuff and entrepreneurship. And, we teach different online business methods. We teach real estate. We teach a lot of stuff related to just making money in the 21st century. But I also created an amazing affiliate program that pays really well. So you're welcome to sign up for that. Again, but I just appreciate you watching this video. And if you subscribe, thanks for doing that. I look forward to sending you future videos and helping you on your journey towards a more awesome life. Take care. We'll see you on the next video.